look at how we can fix boot errors using System File Checker tool. Before we begin, let's see what System File Checker is. sfc/scannow is a command of System File Checker, a tool built in the Windows operating systems. System File Checker scans critical system files and verify their versions and integrity. If this utility finds any files that has the wrong versions or integrity violation, it replaces them with the correct, verified ones. Open the Start menu and search for Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Command Prompt window opens. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter on your keyboard. This process will take some time, so I will fast forward the video to finish quickly. Please wait as it scans all the system files for any integrity violation and repair them. The scan has now completed. Please check the result. In this case, the System File Checker found some corrupted files and has repaired them. You can also check the log file for more details on the errors. Copy the path of the log file. Open the Run command pane and paste the path you copied and press Enter. This is the details of the log. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting tutorials.